In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a common checkout error on Shopee by changing your payment method. This simple guide aims to help you navigate through a potential stumbling block with ease, so you can complete your purchase without any hassle. Let's dive right in and make sure your shopping experience goes smoothly. First things first, you'll want to head over to Shopee. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in Shopee, or simply entering their URL directly if you have it memorized. Once you're on the Shopee homepage, go ahead and log in if you haven't already. You'll find the login option usually at the top right corner of the page. Make sure you have your username and password handy. Now, once you're logged in, you're ready to tackle the checkout issue. Picture this: you've browsed around, added items to your cart, and now you're all set to make your purchase, but you encounter a pesky checkout error. Don't worry, this is where our straightforward solution comes into play. The root of many checkout errors often lies with the selected payment method, whether it's due to an expired card, network connectivity issues, or a temporary system glitch. Changing the payment method can often do the trick. So let's walk through how to change your payment method. Typically, after you've proceeded to the checkout page, you'll see a section labeled Payment Method. It's right here where you can make the necessary change. If you're currently using a credit card and it seems to be causing the issue, consider switching to another payment option like a different card, your digital wallet, or even cash on delivery if that's available. Shopee generally offers a variety of payment methods to choose from, so you can pick one that works best for you. Once you've selected an alternative payment method, double-check to make sure all the details are correct. This includes verifying the card number, expiration date, and CVV if you're using a different credit card, or ensuring that your digital wallet is adequately funded. After making these changes, proceed with confirming your order. More often than not, this simple switch resolves the issue, and you'll be able to finalize your purchase without further interruptions. And there you have it, a quick and effective way to troubleshoot and fix a checkout error on Shopee by changing your payment method. This not only saves you time, but also prevents any unnecessary frustration during your online shopping experience. Thank you for watching, and happy shopping. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tips and guides. Until next time.